We were sent this light here. We're gonna install it and show all the different parts. It came with everything you need to be able to set up. It is really nice. It's a very modern looking light. It has the selections to be able to choose what color it comes in, what color light is. It comes with a remote control. It's energy efficient because it's LEDs. With 3 wires here, this should be a really easy setup for anyone. Let's go show you how it's done. Installing this at night, not the ideal time to be install a light when it'd be much more ideal to have a light. But nonetheless, it's a pretty straightforward setup here, so I know that I can do it here with pretty minimal light. It came with this mounting bracket here. We're just attaching it to the ceiling bracket to be able to get the light installed. So this part can be a little tricky with one person just trying to hold the light while you're getting the wires attached to here. So if you have a helper, that can be really nice, but otherwise, I'm just gonna balance it here in one hand and be able to get the wire nuts on with the other. Now we have the light here, and we're just gonna attach it to the proper wires, and then we're done. All right, we have the light installed. The wires are connected properly with the wire nuts here. I'm just tucking the wires up into the wall so that I can then utilize these holes, which mount up to these bracket bolts here as well. Then I'll be able to mount the light and we'll be done. All right, the final stage here. Light is on, it's connected, it's secure in there. We're gonna put this cover on. It just lines up to the little slots that are on it. Lines right up there. And then you just twist it on. Boom. Now it's secure. It comes with a remote control as well. So the remote control, you can cycle through the different colors on the light. So we have warm light, we have cold light, we have white light, then it has 100%, 50%, 20%, really great features that you can have on this remote control, as well as the on and off button. This light was so easy to install, feature rich, comes with a nice remote control, comes with the batteries for the remote control, super easy to install and energy efficient. It's a very modern look. You're gonna love it.